7 Best Double-Door Refrigerators in India 2019. In this video I show you the 7 best double-door refrigerators in India 2019 available to buy. 8. Whirlpool Frost-Free Double-Door 3-Star Refrigerator Review. The Whirlpool 265-liter refrigerator is ideal for the mid-size Indian family of 3 to 5 members. People always prefer to buy fridges in this capacity range as it suits their requirements and their budgets as well. Whirlpool is a renowned electronics appliance manufacturer. You get quality products when you buy from Whirlpool. This refrigerator is one of the best ones from the Whirlpool stable. Whirlpool is famous for its sixth sense technology, be it fridges or washing machines. The technology is such that it provides the highest degree of cooling with the minimum of power consumption. You end up making ice 50% quicker. Six. Samsung 275L Frost-Free Double-Door 3-Star Refrigerator Review. Samsung is a reputed name in the electronics industry. You get good quality refrigerators from Samsung. They come with a lot of innovative features, some of which we will discuss below. There are a couple of advantages of using this technology. One is that you save power as the compressor adjusts its speed based on the load present in the fridge. Secondly, it makes less noise, thereby reducing the wear and tear of the compressor. Five. Haier Frost-Free Double-Door 3-Star Refrigerator Review. The positioning of the freezer compartment is crucial. Haier has done a lot of research in this regard. The significant change is the positioning of the freezer. You will find the freezer at the bottom as people use the freezer compartment less in comparison to the refrigeration compartment. This is one of the best double-door fridges priced under 30,000. The 1-hour icing technology is responsible for making ice cubes within 60 minutes. It is possible because the technology enables the cooling of the freezer compartment to 50 C in 60 minutes. 4. Haier Frost-Free Double Door 3-Star Refrigerator Review. One of the ways of determining the efficiency of a refrigerator is to look at how long it takes to make ice cubes. Haier has developed an innovative technology that can make ice cubes in about 60 minutes. They have aptly named it as the 1-hour icing technology. There are other notable features of this refrigerator from Haier. The 1-hour technology works towards bringing the temperature of the freezer to 50 C within an hour. Hence, you will never feel short of ice cubes while celebrating your parties. Three. Whirlpool Frost-Free Double Door 2-Star Refrigerator Review. The impressive design is a significant highlight of this fridge. It has other exciting features as well. Let us glance through some of them. The Whirlpool appliance has a unique design that enables uniform cooling in all sections of the fridge. The multiple vents at the sides of the refrigerator ensure the free flow of cold air to all parts of the fridge. These vents have antibacterial filters to keep the refrigerator bacteria free. Two. Samsung Frost-Free Double Door 4-Star Refrigerator Review. Samsung has a reputation for manufacturing some of the best electronic appliances in recent times. Renowned for making mobile phones and televisions, this electronics giant has produced some high-quality refrigerators as well. Let us see some of the attractive features of this fridge. 1. LG Double Frost Free Door 4-star Refrigerator Review. The 260-liter refrigerator is perfect for the midsize Indian family of 4 persons. One of the positive aspects of the LG refrigerators is that they are energy-efficient appliances. The modern-day refrigerators work on the inverter compressor. It is a welcome change from the conventional compressors as they help you save a lot of power. Let us look at some of the fascinating features of the GL1292RPZL. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like this video.